Hello, you join me in my shed again. I thought I'd do this quick video. I don't know if you're the same as me, but I generally keep plenty of pencils lying around the workshop. If one breaks or goes blunt, I can grab another one quite quickly, but then I lose them and then I either break them, or in certain cases I can't get into certain holes because obviously you've got the taper of the pencil and you can't get into deep holes to mark up or measure up. And then larger pencils for rough cuts and first cuts, that sort of thing, which once they're sharp it takes a while for them to go blunt or the lead to waste away. And then of course you've got retractable pencils like this, which are great for drawing up on paper, but when you start using on wood, I tend to find that the lead snaps all the time, and yeah, I'm just not happy with them. So I wanted something that was a bit more robust and something that wouldn't need sharpening as much. Well, I've just bought this from Amazon, cost $12.99, and it's got a retractable lead, fairly thick, probably around 2.5 mil. The shaft there is probably around 5 mil. Retractable, so you can push the thing in, pop it out. Oh, there we go. And then at the other end, there's a pencil sharpener. So unscrew that. So as long as I put it back every time, I won't lose my pencil sharpener. Nothing worse when you need a pencil sharpener and you forget where it's gone. So yeah, just a tiny little lead sharpener there. And put it back so I don't lose it. Yeah, so bought from Amazon, £12.99 it cost me. Hiboom, the name. I've seen other brands out there, but I think this was most reasonably priced. I'm not saying that $12.99 is a lot for a pencil, but it's probably more reason why I'm not going to lose it. But with it, you get 3 extra leads and 3 yellow leads for metalwork, steelwork for marking up. So they come with it. Seems fairly robust. It's got a clip on the side as well there for hooking onto your trouser pocket or whatever, or hanging on the wall. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. You might have got something out of it, might not, but there you go. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers.